The 2000 Push Style Bevel Cutter features a retractable blade holder and a start and stop indicator. To install the blade on the 2000 Push Style Bevel Cutter, first remove the blade knob and install one Logan 270 blade sharp side down onto the blade holder. Then replace the blade holding knob. To adjust the blade depth on the 2000 Push Style Bevel Cutter, find the blade depth adjustment screw on the bottom of the cutting head. Using a screwdriver, turning the screw clockwise will decrease the blade depth. Turning it counterclockwise will increase the blade depth. See that the blade depth is set so it barely passes through the mat board and only scores into the slip sheet. To bevel cut an opening on a piece of mat board, first always use a slip sheet. You may find it easier to tape the slip sheet in position onto your work table. Using a ruler, mark out the borders on the back of the mat board and connect the lines. Mark all 4 borders on the back of the mat board. You may find it helpful to draw an X in the middle of the opening. This reminds you that the cutting head needs to ride on the inside of the lines. Using a suitable straight edge, align it alongside one of the 4 borders. Rest the bevel cutting head against the straight edge and align the start and stop indicator with the pencil line. Pressing down on the straight edge and inserting the blade, cut from line to line. Make sure you retract the blade after each cut. Repeat this process for all 4 sides, and you will have a perfectly beveled mat.